There's a question that has bothered philosophers and scientists for centuries. Why us? Why did we dominate this world and not lions, dolphins, or even elephants? The answer goes beyond the fact that we're intelligent. We dominate this planet because we are the only species that can coordinate with millions of strangers around a shared belief. Think about what that means. Because a shepherding troop has maybe 50 members at most, because trust beyond that number requires something they don't have: shared fiction. Money is an example of shared fiction, a piece of paper that is worth nothing unless we agree it does. A nation is another example of shared fiction, lines drawn on a map that we are willing to die for. Our laws, our markets, our borders, none of this exists in nature. They exist because we did what no other species can do. We told each other a story and we believed it collectively.